What's up guys, it's Vishal and today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your lower third templates and call out titles on After Effects.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So let's get started. You can find many templates for free online and I too have linked a few down in the description. So once you've downloaded the templates, go straight into YouTube and get subscribed to Half-Life. That's it. Well, jokes apart, open the folder and extract the templates onto your PC. Once done, these templates only open in After Effects, so make sure you have the application. Then open it and choose the template of your liking. Okay then, click on it and you will find different layers assigned to different parts of the template. You can edit text mostly, in some you can even add images, like this. I can choose the layer and add any text of my liking. And for the image, I'm going to be using the Spotify PNG and scaling it into place. Play around with it, and once you're happy with your final outcome, click on Ctrl M, which will take you to the render queue, where you can render your lower third. Repeat the same process for other templates too. Here's how it will look. Yeah, that was pretty simple and quick. So thanks for watching, drop a like and get subscribed. See you soon. This is Half-Life.